Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can check Windows 11 compatibility on your computer. So for that you have to download a software called Windows PC Health Check from Microsoft's official website. So for that you have to go to Google and search Windows 11 PC Health Check, and here under blogs.windows.com you will find PC Health Check app. You have to click on that. Then you have to click on this again. So usually it shows the download link of that app in this page, but for some reason it isn't showing. But you can download it from another source which is very trusted, which is windowsreport.com. You have to open it, and here you will find the app as well. In this section, which is how can I download and use the Windows PC Health app, just click on it and it will show you the download file. So I already have it. You have to double click on it and set up it. So it says copying new files and stuff. So once you have set up it, you have to search for it and click OK. So for me it just opened automatically, so it went to the same for you. So once it has been done, you have to click on check now, and it will directly show you if your PC does support or not. It is showing me my PC doesn't support it because of my processor. If you select on show results, it will show you all the requirement. So even if your PC doesn't this app shows that your PC doesn't support Windows 11, you can install it and use it. There are some ways. You have to search on YouTube. So I am using Windows 11 by doing that, following those ways. Just search how to install Windows 11 bypassing TPM and other stuff, and it is completely safe. I'm using it for the last 3-4 months. So that's how you can basically check if your PC does support Windows 11 or not. So you might ask, why would someone need this app if he can just install Windows 11 in other ways? So a person might not know if their processor or their device actually support Windows 11 or not. So if their device doesn't support, then they have to follow another way of installing. If their processor doesn't support and they install directly, their computer might get bricked, or they may face issues. That's why it is suggested to first check beforehand, then install in the official way, or install in the unofficial way, depending on if your device support Windows 11 or not. So that's basically it. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.